Hi everyone, it's Alex Sparks here from Sparks Finance and I'm your local mortgage broker in Bathurst. Today's video is, are you looking to buy in spring? Now obviously this time of year, sun's starting to come out, a lot of people like to list their properties in spring just to take advantage of the, of the good weather, gardens are blossoming and all that kind of stuff. Historically, we do see an increase in supply of listings during this time because, as I said, people want to come into the market after winter. So it's a really important time to start thinking about, whether you're looking at purchasing within the next 3 months or so. The main point of this video is to really get prepared. If you're looking at buying in spring, it's really important to sit down, run the numbers, get prepared. So when that property does come up, you're able to jump on it quickly and therefore really increase your chances of locking in a property that you want. It's really important for you to sit down with a qualified mortgage broker and get pre-approval. We're able to sit down, work out your finances, see whether you have enough deposit, and then obviously lock that in. So, we've got a fully assessed pre-approval there. So you know that the bank is committed, to you. As soon as you find a property, we can get that loan finalized. It saves a lot of time in the back end by getting a pre-approval, and really, as I said, put you in a really strong negotiating position because you know exactly how much you can look to spend and obviously get that locked in if you need to. Another thing that we would say is obviously getting prepared means market research. Now that, as I said, more properties are starting to come on the market, go out to different open homes, have a look at what kind of properties you're after, have a look at the different neighborhoods. By going and having a look at open homes, it's a really good tool because you can say, okay, well great, well this property here is going for this much. I'm gonna, the one that I went to the other day was actually, for less and in a little bit better condition. So you're able to get a sense of where the prices are at, and you can find a good value property if it matches what you're after, such as bedrooms and might want a shed or whatever that might be. So by going and having a look at multiple different properties, you're going to put yourself in a really good position to understand that when you go into a home that matches what you want, is that good value for you, and what offer are you able to put in there. So the main point here is to get prepared. A lot of people look in spring that are buying are actually the upgraders too. So people who have a current property and go, I might want to sort of increase from a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom, might want to move to a better area. So it's really important for them, even more important for them, to go and speak with someone just to make sure that they're in a position to upgrade. Now that could work in a few different ways. Some people might like to go down the bridging finance route, where they look to purchase and then sell their property later. But most people will actually will need to actually sell their property first and then look to buy it, or do what we call a simultaneous settlement, meaning they sell their property and buy their property on the same day. So it takes a little bit of work to get that organized. So this is where, if you are looking at upgrading, once again, going and speaking with a qualified mortgage broker, we'll be able to work out and get a pre-approval for the gap. So say, for example, you're looking at selling your property for $600,000 and then buying for $800,000, just hypothetically, to get a pre-approval for that $200,000. Just to make sure that you can access that money and you're in a position, and once again, your risk is a lot lower by doing that. Once again, really important, the main message that I want to get through to you guys is be prepared. But spring is a fantastic time, if you're in the property market. It's really great to go and see, the amount of action that's out there, and people looking at, wanting to upgrade that property or get in the property the first time, or possibly look to get an investment. So a lot of opportunity out there, a lot of great, properties are on the market. So if you are looking at doing anything in spring, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're more than happy to book a time, run through the numbers and make sure we can position you to jump on that property as soon as the right one comes up. Thanks very much for your time, everyone. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye.